Discover the fast and easy way of having your tires installed at home. An exclusive service offered by ATD Tire Service. Whether you bought your tires from us or have your own tires already, call us to make an appointment. Our workshop truck has all the latest necessary equipment to ensure a quality installation. Our technician takes care of balancing your tires, which is essential for your car's proper road handling. The length of time required to process 2 tires is about 30 minutes, and for 4 tires, 50 minutes. We also offer a seasonal warehousing service. Let us hold on to your winter tires during the summertime and your summer tires over the winter. We will set the proper tire pressure for each of them, and here you are, ready to go. The payment is done on site. ATD Tire Service. Tire installation done right at home. Now that's convenient. Buy your tires online at pneusatd.ca.